How to recover your old NGL account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, go to the Google Play Store, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of NGL application on your device. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your NGL application. Now, if you want to log out of it and again open it, then simply go to the logout option first of all. Now to re-log in, what you can do is NGL applications are simply, if you have an Instagram account, then you can also have your NGL account because they are connected. So you can log out and log in by tapping your Instagram profile, Instagram ID, and also the password of it as well, and you can simply log into it. So that's how you can simply get your old NGL back now as well. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.